I'm going to go ahead and put a nice light set in this Lego kit here with the Pixar light. So we're going to go ahead and install this and show you how that goes. Just want to let you know that in the description we have a link where you can actually get 10% off of ordering one of these light kits. So you have the installation instructions here. And you got the different packages. This particular one comes with 4 packages. And they give you one of these to move the wires and stuff around.
This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look.
So I want you to go ahead and check out all the different bags with the different components in it. So this takes 3 AAA batteries. So you can go ahead and test it out. So this particular one has a remote. You need to put a battery in it. It's the CR2025. And we got it to work. Then you open up this guy to hook up the lights, because I want you to test out all the lights before you install it. So I got it all hooked up real nice, and the light goes on. And in here we actually got a plug. We'll go ahead and try this out with the battery. So this is the battery pack. Or you can go ahead and use the USB A and then plug it into a power bank. And we have the light on. And then we have the circuit board for the remote control. So let's go ahead and install it and the light. Just want to go ahead and go through all this stuff. So this is the plug. So go ahead and plug it into the USB, into a battery pack. This is actually the light itself. Then we have this little guy right here. That's how you hook it up together. And we got some cords right here. And the battery pack that actually has 3 AAA batteries in it. And then we got down here some Lego pieces. So let's go ahead and take the light itself and get the stuff installed. So now I went ahead and set up the remote, and you can see the battery pack, the circuit board, and the light. And it'll actually hit the remote. Okay, so to check to see if the remote works, I use the batteries in here, the AAA batteries, the 3 of them. And then I'm going to turn the remote on. And we got the light working. So now I'm going to go ahead and install it in the light. First thing it wants you to do is to remove the bulb. So I guess this little guy has to go someplace else. So once you put this in, it's up to you on how you want to hide the wires. So what I ended up doing is I wanted to hide things a little bit more, so I drilled a little hole through one of the Lego pieces and put the wire through here, and I want to put the circuit board, this guy right here, I want to put it down here so you don't see it. So I have to put this back together now.
If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you.
So I went ahead and hooked up the battery. The little cord's coming out of the bottom. And here's the remote. So I don't like all the wires that you could see, so I modified it. Here's the battery pack. And then as you can see, I can go ahead and turn on the light.
This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.